Hey, so how about we start streaming and someone posts a new thread on general discussion saying that the battle has started with links to the streams.
Yeah, that would.
And then you see like no one turning on their guns, just they're all crashing into each other.
Everybody, don't forget pressing P takes off your secondaries.
Yeah, secondaries off.
Secondaries off.
Okay, America, let's form up the four.
Let's do this for America.
See, there's so many Americans though, comparatively.
America.
All right. So while everyone's revving up their engines for Ramby,
Yep.
some midway trivia. Japan reported sinking 3 American carriers. This, of course, is an error. Why is that?
At Midway?
It was wasn't it due to the fact of their decks and stuff were lit on fire and they were severely damaged, but then the next day they were repaired and they were back fighting?
Yeah.
Quick repair.
And then Yorktown was bombed again and declared sunk, and then they repaired that and kept going, and then it was torpedoed finally to death.
Yep.
Which
That's just me. Oh, I just noticed.
It was
counter battle again.
Nice. And it was the Yorktown was actually scuttled, if I remember right?
Yeah, it was scuttled.
No, we can't ram allies because it won't do shit, Lancer, but if it could, I would recommend
I mean, it would. It would just take a while.
I'm just heading straight for the middle. Let's see if I can
That's
find
what I'm
anyone.
doing.
Wait, the Russians use speed governors instead?
No, they removed the speed governors from their tanks. They had them, then they took them off.
I see you in Pensacola! I'm gonna come get you.
Charge!
We said that.
We need some like epic music to this too, sadly.
U.S. damage control was second to none.
Yes, we need Flight of the Valkyries. Can someone make Flight of the Valkyries?
Actually, I'm curious how the destroyers will do crashing.
I've got run over is what's gonna happen.
I'm kind of curious how this is gonna work out too.
I think ramming a carrier is gonna be a very bad idea.
Okay, I got the Sims in front of me.
No, screw you. Go away.
I
just want to ram your carrier.
That Sims first. Wait, you want enemy carrier? Come on, come here. Come here, Sims. I'll get you. Only one around me.
Oh, you smoked.
They didn't say no corpse, no guns, but they'd say dive bombers.
Don't tell me how to live my life.
This is more like the Battle of the Solomon, just like charging at each other.
Right.
Just kind of like, oh fuck.
See, there's the issue though. There's no Yudachi. I mean, come on.
I'm coming for you.
Yeah, show guy.
Oh, there's our first collision.
There's the first one. I got it recording it. Bam! Oh, no, my God, he lived.
Oh wow, he came out. Let's see what you have.
I didn't expect him to live that.
This is actually good for collision tests.
Better to ram something lower tier than yourself.
What? What?
Let's like catch up with y'all.
Oh no, I got 2 on me. I can't turn to crash.
Crazy Hawk, let's get Mike.
Oh my god. Look at me.
Go away, Gunlion. Go away or I'll bitch about the last patch.
You're leaving your secondary on.
Yeah. Turn up secondaries, man.
Balance.
For the Citadel! Here he comes.
The Sims behind me.
Alright, I'm gonna slow down. Come on, hit my ass. No.
Wow, that Sims did nothing to me.
Yeah, that's really depressing.
What about
No,
the secondary's on. Fuck.
Gunlion,
based
isn't
on
it
health, I
health?
think.
Yeah.
Displacement or health?
What?
If it's not health, it just trades health, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I thought you said maximum health. We were talking about secondary. What?
Myoko's gonna get.
Go crazy! Oh, wait, no, Kapla.
For those of you not familiar with it, P turns off your secondaries.
Yes. Hey, please, knock this New Orleans right now.
Oh, I'm gonna survive this, I think, Nolans.
Hey, you know what I
Right, but I'll bleed out. I'm gonna bleed out.
That was heavy.
Hey, you guys know what I really like about it? Go,
Okay,
Ranger,
there's one more
go!
somewhere around here. We just can't find him.
I am so angry right now. I haven't hit anybody. I am so angry right now. This is
Just
ridiculous.
go straight in the middle.
You know what I really like about Kapla? Is his name is also a really good battle cry for this scenario.
Oh, I see it.
Slowest ram ever.
Mike's gonna die though. He has to less miles.
Okay.
Episode touching.
Nice. Okay.
Oh, that was a move.
That's,
And
I didn't do anything.
That's how the world's first super carrier was